हेलो गाइज, गुड आफ्टरनून। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है। प्लीज़ थिंक, सेल्स एम्प्लॉय कैन मेक MD if sales employee having in the zero knowledge everything. How can possible, right? How can change? Yes, but बिल्कुल बन सकता है। Sales employee can become a MD even if today he has zero knowledge, but only if he has the right mindset and discipline to learn everything step by step, right? Step by step. First, it's true, no MD is born with knowledge, right? कोई भी MD हो, बॉर्न ऑफ बर्थ नहीं होता, राइट? लाइक ए धीरू भाई अंबानी, लाइक ए रतन टाटा, स्टॉव जॉब्स, एलन मस्क, राइट? they were and not in the born in the knowing and finance, HR, marketing, operation, compliance, leadership. They learned it, they observed it, they failed, and they improved. MD now, MD position, learning is decision power, is responsibility. If the sales employee has zero knowledge, what should he do, राइट? क्या करना चाहिए अगर किसी भी सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव को नॉलेज नहीं है, किसी भी फील्ड का नया हो, ग्रेजुएशन ओनली ग्रेजुएशन किया हो, डजंट नो, एंड फैमिली बैकग्राउंड इज वेरी पुअर, इफ द समवन हैज जीरो इन द नॉलेज एंड बट वांट टू बिकम ए MD एंड ही मस्ट build in the 5 pillar perfect knowledge. What are we selling? हम क्या बेच रहे हैं पहले पता हो. Why customers should buy? What is the competitor offering? What problem are we facing, we solving? Without product knowledge, even sales cannot be grow and cannot be correct knowledge. Financial knowledge, MD must understand, profit and loss. First, profit and loss, cost structure, revenue, cash flow, target, achievement. If a salesperson learn and the member and the deeply, and he become in the future and the business head. People management, आपको सेल्स है, आपको पीपल मैनेजमेंट करना आना चाहिए. MD मैनेजर, टीम, conflict, performance, hiring, training. If today I can in the manage and the 12 and people, tomorrow I can manage in the 200 and 300, right? It's a market understand. Market किसी भी लोकेलिटी में करते हैं, उसकी नॉलेज हो आपको मार्केट. व्हाट इज द टारगेट ऑफ द कस्टमर, व्हाट इज द कस्टमर इन द साइकोलॉजी, व्हाट इज द मार्केट रिस्क, व्हाट इज द इंडस्ट्री ट्रेंड. Please, sales employee already and the meets many customer daily, and if they listen and deeply, he and she become smarter, and then the management, decision making power. MD fast, strong the confidence and decision, even at a small and a decision, which client to focus, which employee to support, which strategy is apply, right? Start practicing decision and the habit and the today. And the third is why most sales employee never become a MD. They only and the chase and the monthly target. They blame and the management. They don't and the learn and the beyond and the role. They don't understand in the business in the model. Fourth is real my formula. Real formula. If today the knowledge is zero, but learning attitude in the 100, discipline is 100, observation power 100, and responsibility taking habit 100, then the becoming the MD is possible. Bro, करना होगा आप लोगों को, ये चीज़ समझना होगा भाई. It's fifth is direct advice for you. You think like a leader. Right? I think like a leader, and I worry about team, and and yeah, I think and about the productivity you feel and the pressure and from the top management. Whatever. This is the already empty in the mind set. Read 30 minutes daily and study your company full structure and understand high top and the management and the things and start ac- uh, acting like a branch owner and not employee. Final truth is MD position is not about the knowledge it is the about the can this and the person take and the fully responsibility if the business fails. प्लीज़ प्लीज़ गाइज लाइक करिए, मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम सब्सक्राइब करिएगा। प्लीज़ आप भी बन सकते हैं अपने, अगर आप नॉलेज नहीं है, जीरो नॉलेज है, तो प्लीज़ ज्वाइन इन द सेल्स टीम एंड आप यू कैन बन सकते हैं, यू कैन मेक ए MD। like you think more your observation and you analyze your market, you think more and you reading and you learning and you speaking everything. Please go in market and many customer visited to many customer, you learn more. Your observation is, your confidence is built daily by daily, right? You take responsibility more. Please guys, thank you guys.